What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a 5th gen 4Runner that we just installed, the Wolfbox G900 TriPro camera dash cam. It comes with 2 extra cameras and then 1 inside of the actual mirror that will cover your backup mirrors over there. But we're going to talk about the benefits of this, why this customer wanted to install it, and why we would recommend it. So let's begin in the inside. So this is the main component of this kit here, which is the rear view mirror. And you can use it as a standard rear view mirror if you like. You just hit the button on the bottom that will turn off all displays, but it will still record for you. So it is constantly recording whenever the vehicle's on. And if you decide to get the hardwire kit like we did with this one, it'll record even when the truck is off and somebody walks across, the sensor will pick it up and turn on. It'll think somebody's either trying to break in or whatever it is. Either way, it'll turn on the cameras and start recording. Now this one, the TriPro, has 3 cameras. So there's the front. The cool thing too is you can aim the camera up and down as needed. So this is our front one. So if you're on the trail and you want to see what's below you, if all you're doing is seeing your hood on an incline, this aims down, and then obviously you can physically aim the front camera down, which we'll show you guys in a little bit as well to adjust. But there's the Sequoia right in front of us there. And the next camera is the front camera. This is going to be a 4K. So you'll see the 4K is the front camera that's on this unit here. The one that's mounted on the front of the vehicle, the additional camera is 1080p, and then the rear camera is 2.5K resolution. This one here, you can see all 3 at the same time. And then lastly, we have the rear view camera. This is the camera that it defaults to when you first turn it on. And then down here, you have different settings. So if you install the camera upside down, you can go in here and mirror it or flip it horizontally. And then you can also add or remove reverse lines for that as well. So a lot of cool features. And then since this is a dash cam as well, you can download whatever clips you want to into your phone with their app. That way you can see whatever you just saw on the road. If there was an accident or if you got in an accident, you can do that to show as proof for the police officer or whatever you need to do with that. Now, let's go to the front camera. In the front of the 4Runner, we have the extra camera that Wolfbox provides with their TriPro kit. This one, like I mentioned, you can even adjust to fine-tune the angle that you'd like it to be. And then inside, you can also scroll to adjust that even further. But this is where we have it, right beneath the logo, right in front of the sensor, and it does not cause any errors or anything to come up with the TSS sensor that is in here. That controls your cruise control, adaptive cruise control, and all that good stuff. Now, we were thinking about putting it lower, but if we mounted it lower, it was going to run into rocks or anything like that if this customer were to off-road. So this was a perfect location here. And then that way we could still aim down to see in front of us. And then in the rear here, we have another camera. This one is the 2.5K resolution camera. And we have it mounted just right below the 3rd brake light on this black cover here. This cover is for the rear wiper, and this is the perfect location for it because the wiper actually clears the camera completely, and the camera is protected with a spoiler on top here, and you're able to see out the back. I have seen some people install it on the inside of the vehicle, but if your windshield or your glass gets dirty, then you can't really see out of it. So this here is really the perfect solution for that. So we are going to be offering Wolfbox in the near future on our website, and then we will have some in stock here at our Denver location as well. But as far as the installation process, it is a little bit time consuming just because you do have to run the wires from the front and the back all the way through the vehicle and inside and connected to the rear view mirror inside the vehicle. So if you don't want to do that yourself, you can definitely bring it to us if you are in Colorado and you would like us to install it. We've done a couple of these already, and they're pretty simple to us, at least. It is a little bit time consuming running through the vehicles, removing panels and stuff like that, and then just making sure everything is straight. So If you want us to do it, definitely give us a call and we can definitely help you out. But like I mentioned, we will have the Wolfbox products on the website sometime in the near future after this video. So if you do see that, we'll make sure we'll put that in the link below, so that way you can just take you straight to our website at runningfortacos.com and you can pick one up there. But that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys next time.